Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to talk about templates. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm going to show you. So if you create a project, so for example, if you create a project and choose the none. Okay, so if you use none, so this will create a project without anything, or not without anything, but with very limited elements. So, and also depending on your unit, so you can choose one. So here I'm going to choose the metric. And okay, so now this is a project without any template. So if I create a wall, and let's have a look over the list. So you will see only one basic wall, one curtain wall, one stacked wall. Okay, and then if I try to create a door, you will see, there's no door. Try to create a window, no window. So basically, this is a project without anything preloaded. So only the very limited option. So if you need to add anything, so for example, if I need to add a door, I need to load a door from this folder. Okay, if I need to, let me just load one door. So for example, I'll just load a door, maybe, so this one. Okay, so okay, so it looks like we need to start from a door family. So DR, yes, okay, then yeah, place a door. So now if I try to tag the door, so, and you will see if I TG tag, and all the tags are not loaded. So we need to load the tag as well. So basically, if you create a project without a template, you will find a lot of issues. So you need to load a lot of things. Okay, so now let me just finish this one. And if we create a project with a template, so for example, if I create a template, architecture template, and okay. Oh, sorry. If we create an architectural project from an architecture template, you will see if I create a wall, and we have all these different options, right? So these are already there. So although they are very basic, you probably need to create your own type, and also all these views already there. And so you will find a lot of things already there. So for example, if I create a wall, create a door, there's already the door there, but although there's not many types, so only one family with different types. So windows, same, so only one. But so, and if you try to tag the door, so you will see there's already a door tag, probably not the one you like, but at least there's already one there. Okay, so tag the windows. That's the wall tag. That tag the windows. That's already one window tag there. So that's a wall tag. Okay, so basically you have everything, but probably you don't like the look of that specific element or family, or you want to, for example, if you want extra type, or you don't want this one, you want to change the structure of the walls. And then now we're going to talk about how to create your template. Okay, so now let me just close this, and we can create a new, not create a new, but we can edit, so a template. So go new, so from model, and here, so you have this option. So you can create a new project, or you can create a project template. Okay, so let me just choose this architectural template again, but this time I'll check this project template and click OK. So you will see exactly the same. Everything's the same. It's just look like exactly like the one we did previously. So you can add anything there. You can do anything just like a project. But this time, because if you look at here, so actually there's no file name, but if you save this one, so for example, if I save this, you can, I think you have the only option to save as a template file, so which is RTE. Okay, RTE is a Revit template file, and RVT is project file. So you will see you only have one option, so both the same. So RTE. So now let me just save this one. So I'll just save it on my desktop and okay, so and save. So this is not a project file, this is a template file. But if you close this one and then I'll just create a new project. So this time I'll create a new project, and also this 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the template from the default template folder. So if you want to load a template file from different address, so you need to go there. So let's click on browse. So I'll just go to my desktop. So find the template file, so which is this RTE file. Okay, so open, and then so this time we choose project. So this means we are going to create a project from this template file. Okay, so click OK, and then you will see the walls already there. Okay, so the doors there, the text there. So which means you can set up. So for example, if you can set up a project. So not project, a template. So there's already some elements there, and you can have all the, change the tag, maybe change the look of the tag, change the door. So load extra door types, change, add more windows. You just need to, let me just close this one. You just need to go back to your template. Where is it? It's not here. So you go to your, so you just need to open that RTE file. So which is this one, RTE, not a, so RFA is family file, so not a project, so which is a RVT, so not a RVT file. So you just need to open this RTE, and so just do whatever change you want to your template. So next time, if you create a new project from this template, so it's already there. So now let's have a look and see the where or what are the things we can adjust or add to a template. Okay, so first so we can add more family types. So for example, the door. So currently this is there's only one door type with different size. You can load some more, so you can just door dr and load family. So you can just load. So for example, you want to, a double door there, so you don't need to place it here. So once you load that family, it's already here. It's already in this family folder. Where's the door? Here. It's under here. So once it's here, you can just delete them. Okay, so even this, you can delete them. So next time you place door dr, it will be under this list. Okay, so and also sometimes you don't. So for example, if you don't want so too many different size, you can also go to here, go under this family, so you can just delete. So for example, if I don't want this one, I can delete this type. Okay, so just clean up your the list of all these types. So, and also another way to do it is you can use purge. So you can use Alt G U to do the purge, or you can just go under Manage, Purge on Use. So this way, so you can do multiple, you can clean up multiple things. So usually just check now and go to the, on the category. So if you don't want some of them, maybe you can just do this and then okay. So this way you can clean up multiple things. You just have, for example, this door, I only want one type, one size. Okay. So yeah. So again, so Windows, you probably want to load more different type of window as well. So next time when you try to create a existing project, you have option. You don't need to load Windows every time. Okay. So the same or different family types, you can just add extra. So and also, for example, walls. For example, I'll just change this to a timber stud brick veneer wall. So and so, for example, if you want to add some plasterboard layer, you can just do it, and then next time when you start this project, so it's already there, so you don't need to edit it. So every time. Okay, so these are the families. Of course, you can do some setting to. Let me think. For example, you can do all the setting of this. So you can just change the view range settings so to the view. So yeah, something like that. And also, yes, very important. So view template. So this is we have this template from architectural template. So if you go to view template, actually, you can do it here, or you can just go to, I think it's on the view. So on the view here, so view template. So you can just use this. So manage. So and then you can. So these are the default different view template of in that architectural template. So you can create your own view template. Okay, so you can just you can do it from here. So duplicate from an existing one. But I like to do it from a view. So sometimes, so for example, if I go to, I'll just hang on, let me just quickly, I'll delete this one. I'll do some more. Add a roof. Okay, so I'll add a roof on top of this. Finish it, and let's have a look in 3D view. Yeah, maybe I'll just attach. Oops, sorry. Attach this wall to the roof. Okay, so this is a little house without windows and doors. So now let's go to some elevation. So we can just quickly create a view template, but instead of go to here to duplicate from existing one and do all the setting, it's easier to just go to a view. And so for example, this one, I want to do some change quickly. So I'll add some shadow. Where's my shadow? Anyway, change the detail. So go to graphic display options. Okay, so for example, I'll just quickly do some changes. Okay, so add shadow, ambient shadow. Oh, where's my shadows? Anyway, let's continue. So something like that. Do some setting quickly, and I'll just add a background. Oh, not this one. Apply. Okay. So yeah. So for example, this is a very schematic, view. TL. Turn on the thin line. Maybe I'll make it the line thicker. So okay. So this is my view. Okay, and also you can choose to hide stuff here. So you can VH to hide this category, VH. Okay, so VH is height by category. So if you go to VV setting, go to here, section, so you will see I just hide this section, sections in this view. Okay, so and then so everything you if so I'm happy with this one. I'm happy with this looking, and we can just create a view template from this view. So go to graphic display option, and then you will see this here. So save as a view template. Okay, so now I'll just call it a schematic design elevation. Okay, so elevation and okay. And now, so we need to check some box. Okay, so just depending on which one you want it to want those elevations to be. So usually I'll just check everything here, and then you just need to have a look of this one. So probably you want it to match the face filter, and yeah, depending on which one you want. I'll just usually I'll just leave these, maybe background. Oh, not this one. Where's my back? Oh, here. Yeah, it's already there. So don't worry about this, I think. So click OK and OK. So now we can, so this one currently there's no. So once you create a view template, it will not directly apply to this view. So still none, but you can now just find it here. So you can just apply it to it. But of course, because the setting is already there, so it won't change. But the other views, so for example, this one, this one, this one. So now you can select all this view and give them this view template. So now you will see they are all the same type. Okay, so and yeah, that's it. So this is a view template. This is quite often you can have them in the template in your template. So next time you don't need to do all the setting. You just apply this to your views, and it will always the same looking. Okay, so for every project. Okay, so this is view template. What else? Yeah, basically all the families, and maybe it also include all these. So for example, or you can have few regions. So currently there's only a very small number of different types. So you can create multiple different type of field regions. So next time you have a option, have a list of different type you can use for your project. The same, you can create a different, you can add different detail component, you can load a detail component, you can add your own detail component to your template. Okay, same symbol as well, all these tags. So currently, because if I tag a wall, so this is a wall tag, but if you don't like it, you can just load yourself your tags, and usually there's a setting somewhere here. If I go have a look, okay, so where's the tag setting? I think this one. Yeah. So this is the tag setting. So for example, it will tells you what tag is loaded for. So for example, door tag, this door tag is being assigned to door category. And if you have multiple door tag, you can choose one for that category. But so currently there's some of the category you don't have, for example, floor tag, there's no floor tag to it. Yeah, you can load. So roof, there's no roof tag. So if I tag a roof, I try to tag a roof, it will tell me, that's nothing. So you can load a tag to it, or okay. And also you can, if you don't like the look, you can change it. You can create your own tag and assign the tag to that category. So once you've done this, so next time you save that template, so you don't need to do it again. Um, okay, so yeah, and yeah, you can change the look of the level. All these are all under the family, so they are all annotation. I think it's all annotation under this annotation symbols all under here, so you can find them and change the look of them. So you will have those custom look symbols for your project every time. Okay. Um, yeah, I think basically that's all. So everything, if you can have different types of all these text, you can create your own size or font or setting all the different type, and you just do it. Just add to your uh, template. Um, I think that's yeah, that's you can you can also create multiple shades. So for example, this here we only have this one, and also this shade. I think this is A1, or we probably maybe we can load some different title block. Yeah, of course you can create your own title block and then load it into your template. So next time you can use it straight away. So here, so for example, if I load a new title block, so I'll just go. For example, I'll just load a title block from Autodesk. Where's my title block? Here. So for example, I'll just load this one, A3. So okay, so now currently we have two different size. So you can load all, so A1, A2, A3, A4. So you can have the option every time if you create a new shade, you have the option to pick which size you need. Okay, so yeah, so this is quite important because we all want our own title block, right? So yeah, and once you have this, so for example, you can set some shade, so you don't need to. For example, you can have name, the number and name already set. So for example, that's one title cover shade, for example, and you can create new shade. So floor number it or name it, propose existing floor plan, propose and demolition, elevation. So you can have multiple shades already there, already named, already numbered. So next time you don't need to do it again. You just need to uh, I need this, I need that, and then we can just delete some those we don't need. So okay, so and of course in the shades you can have them, if you have those points already there, so or in the title block somewhere, just place it there, so next time you don't need to do it again. Yeah, I think that's the shade. Okay, so what else we can do in the template? So let's have a look. So architecture, so all those families, structure the same, system the same, just annotation. Okay, and also of course we have all these options. So for example, line style. So if I go to line style, currently these are the line style from architectural templates. So if you want to your own line style, you can just create here. You can just, if you don't like some of the line style, so you can just do it here. You change it once and you don't need to change it next time. Okay, so you just change them in this template file. So once you're happy, click OK. So that's it. And also if these line weight, usually I won't touch it. So these are the settings if you print, or yeah, I won't touch it. line patterns, usually I don't touch the wall. I won't touch it, and so unless you want to add some more. Okay, so but sometimes yeah, because I try to keep it clean. Sometimes when you might after you load some family, especially those created from so for example AutoCAD or different CAD file, so you will find that you will uh, you will have some extra lines patterns. So personally, I don't like to have more than this. I will always clean up my line patterns. Otherwise, you will find that you have hundreds of different line patterns. So I don't like that. Yeah, I think it's all. Yeah, all those tags you can just do all the settings. Or if you like to add your own type, own style, you can just do it in your template. What else? So yeah, you can transfer project standard. So if you already have a project there, and if you want to convert that, or you can just use transfer project standard to load a lot of things from that project, or you can even just copy things from that project. But yeah, just have a look at this. So this can help you. So you need to have both that project and so both project or template open so you can do this. But okay, so yeah, basically all these parameters settings. So if you know how to use share parameter, if you know how to use project parameter, global parameter, you can all do have them or set them in your template. Okay, so and project information, object style. Yeah, so object style is also very important part of the template. So sometimes we want to adjust. So these are the default setting, but sometimes we want to adjust the line weight. So for example, I like to have my wall. So if I go to wall, so you will see this is 1 and 4, which means this is a very thin line. When you look at a wall, the in the elevation, so the wall will be very thin. Okay, so sometimes I like to change some of them. So for example, I want to change this to 2 at least. So at least the line of the wall will be slightly thicker. Okay, so this is the cut of the cut line. So if you're doing a section, so these are the line weight. So for those elements. Okay, so you can do all the setting and also so for example the material. So this is quite useful because so for example if I create a I'll just show you an example. Okay, so if I create a wall, okay, so this one, if you set this wall, so this is the material Revit will use when you do not assign a material to it. When you use by category. So for example, I'll just create a new material and rename it. I'm not sure if maybe there's already a default wall there. I'll just name it default wall red. Okay, so I'll change the color to red and also that apply and okay. So now any wall without a material assigned will show red. I'll click OK. So let's have a look at the 3D view. So of course this is a wall which is this material assigned to it. So if I create a new wall, I'll duplicate. Okay, so and then I'll go there. I'll click on this one, and you click on this one. I'll remove the material. So now you will see the finish become by category. So which means if I click OK, and I create this new one, and I'll change this to shade, so you will see it will show red. Okay, the finish. So this is actually quite useful if you use some of the render engine. So for example, Lumion. So because a lot of the time, so when we model something, we forget to assign material. So sometimes if I model some, for example, casework, and if I create something there, okay, without give it a material, and so because it's a category, and in Lumion, anything without a material, and also if there's nothing there, it will show as default material. And then eventually, if you don't have anything there, so a lot of different categories will all have that default material. You won't be able to separate them. So by setting the material there, so it will help you a lot. So for example, casework. If I create a new, okay, so I'll duplicate this one. I'll call it default case work, and then I'll just duplicate a set. I'll give it different material color, sorry, and yeah, all good. So now you will see, although we don't have any material assigned to it, it will automatically use the material in this object style. And then which means so this wall, there's no material in it as well. So which means if we export this to Lumion, and these two are separate, okay, so this will save a lot of time. So if you have most of the category, so most of them, the most common ones, so walls, floors, ceilings, roofs, so you all set a different material. This will help a lot. So okay, so this is object style, which is very, very important. Okay, so you can do all the setting in your template, so you don't need to do it every time. Okay, so same, these are annotation. Okay, so yes, of course, material. So you can create all different materials, so which you like, so have them in your template. Okay, so okay, I think that's it. Just load the families you like, materials you like, everything you like into a template, and of course just try to keep it not too many families, just try to keep the size. Okay, and I think that's it. Yeah, basically every setting, so it's just like a startup project, and then once you finish and save it. Okay, so save this file. So now next time when you start a new project, you go create a new, and you go find that template. So if you want to, you can save that template file here, the same folder as these template, and so I'll just go find that. So it's on desktop, and this one. Okay, so start a new project from this template file, and then make sure it's project, and okay. Okay, so now you will see, if I go to 3D view, you will see all these, it's already there. So, okay, so it will show everything. you already have in a template, of course. Okay, so the last one, I'm going to show you where the setting for the folder. So if hang on, where am I? So probably I need to let me just create a new project. Okay, so now here is the setting. So go under File and here Option. So and File Location. Okay, so you will see these are the where you can, if you wanted to, you can change the folder. So for example, architecture template here, and you can just click on this one, and you can tell Revit which is the architecture. So if I go desktop, if I point to this template, and OK, and OK, so I'll just close this one. So next time, if I create a new model, and if I use this one, architecture template, and it will automatically use the one we set, so which is this one. Okay, so maybe let me just change it back. Go back here, File, Location. So you can add more. So you can add your maybe I'll change this back. Okay, so change this back. Oh, hell, where? I can't remember which ones. Maybe I'll just go here, so I can find. I think it's this one, but I need to know where it is. I'll just copy this one. So I need this address. Okay, so copy. Cancel that, and I'll change this to. I'll just Control V and see, and go here. Pick this one, open. Okay, that. Now you can also keep everything here. So and add new one. And this time I'll just go back to desktop. Use this one, open, and I can tell, oh, this is new template. So you can just name it. So and OK. So next time, if you go here, create a new project, and you will have this option here. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, it's quite. It's basically it's just like create a project and then just put everything you like, or set up a little project, so next time you don't need to do it again. Just do all the settings, all the loadings. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.